The Genesis Arc Generator is a powerful 2D to 3D pipeline solution for game and metaverse-ready assets. Basically, we take a 2D avatar and convert it into 3D at scale. Introducing the Arc Generator. Every 2D avatar project will someday need to be converted to 3D if they want to move around in the 3D metaverse or gaming environment. What would normally take days to create a character by hand through traditional 3D pipeline methods, the Arc Generator is able to produce thousands of avatars, textured, rigged, animated, upgradable, and ready to play within a matter of seconds. On top of game-ready assets, the generator can produce beautifully rendered images and cutscenes. Here's how it works. There's 4 steps: asset creation, generation, quality control, and upgrades. For Capbautica, there were over 560 assets modeled and prepared by artists from all around the world. Every 3D model is then turned into a smart asset. A smart asset is essentially a 3D model with rules. These rules prevent assets from colliding with one another. For example, if a hoodie loads with a digital visor, the hoodie will collide with the visor. The smart asset knows to make the visor a little bigger when the hoodie loads. We wrote over 2,000 custom rules for all of Capbautica's 560 assets, so that they all play nicely with one another. Once all the assets are created, we get into the generation phase. The generator pulls all the traits it needs from the Smart Asset library and assembles the character. The generator does other fancy things like materialization. In Capbautica, there was a need for customized materials for each avatar. So if you had a gold base on your 2D avatar, you would get a 3D gold catbot. Or if you had a 2D diamond base, it would produce a 3D diamond catbot. These rules to apply shaders to each catbot are all thanks to the generator. The generator also handles rigging and animation. The assembled avatar can then be rigged to any rig provided to take advantage of mocap or engine specifications. Render out any avatar at any resolution you want: 1K, 2K, 4K, 8K. It supports JPEG outputs or PNG if you want to remove the background. We have custom render passes for all you compositors out there. The generated avatar can be exported and delivered in a variety of formats, animation states, and camera angles. LODs or level of detail can be set for optimized outputs depending on the destination medium. Capbautica uses this pipeline to tell unique stories and playable games for every catbot. The third step is quality control. After generation, we found ourselves spinning our wheels when it came to reviewing and making updates to all the 560 assets. That's why we designed a collaborative quality control project management system using Coda that works in conjunction with the generator. One of the key benefits of using the GenArc generator is that the pipeline allows for dynamic fixes. For example, when we first created this headband, it didn't have all the fuzzy cloth materials on it. After the generation, we realized we wanted it to feel softer, so we added some fuzzies. So we upgraded the headband, and as a result, all the catbots who had that headband got updated as well. Notice a mistake when one asset loads with another? No problem. You fix it once and it updates for all assets forever. We believe NFTs are meant to be more than just a JPEG. Our focus at Genesis Arc is to turn NFTs into programmable, upgradable digital assets. Every trait of this digital asset becomes its own piece of upgradable software. To build scalable, upgradable software, you need a scalable procedural pipeline. Let's build that pipeline together with the GenArc generator.